And yes, Uncle Roger, we are going to use a rice cooker because Asians have rice cooker, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Simple, something really for lazy people. Yeah, everything. You just want everything to be cooked fast.
Yes, I think because the seasons are coming, so if you have any gathering, parties or what, this is a very good dish. So, Sally, what are we going to cook today? We have so many things here.
We are going to cook tomato rice. So this tomato rice is just a one-pot meal. You can just eat it on its own. Okay. Alright, so what are the things that we need? We need some meat. Okay, you can use chicken fillet, you can use bacon, you can use any meat that you like. Okay, but not minced meat. Okay,
not minced meat, huh?
Yeah. Then different type of mushroom you like, button mushroom, shiitake mushroom, any mushroom you like. Okay, then I have the good thing is we can use any veggie that you like. Okay,
nice.
so we are using corn today, some broccoli, and of course our main tomato.
Wow, yes, tomato rice must have tomato.
Yes.
If no tomato,
then it's not called
tomato. Right? I think what I like about this ingredient is you can see that it's so colorful from yellow to red to green. So this is the time for color. Like today we are wearing red. Yeah, I'm gonna get the color up, man. So let's get it started.
We're gonna start cutting our sausages.
Okay, so Sandy, you cut the sausage. Do I need to cut the mushroom?
Yes, can you please help me? Okay, just dice it.
Okay, but for me, usually I will try to cut it as small as possible. Because right, my son who's 3 years old, right, he can really see the tiniest veggie and corn, okay? So so usually right, okay, sorry, Pat is very lazy one. Pat don't usually cut. Pat put in the grinder and grind everything.
You mean grind the food? You need to let your son start to chew, you know.
No. So I will grind the ingredient like garlic. I will grind.
Okay.
Then sometimes anything I can grind, I will grind. Okay, so we have chopped everything, as you can see, from the sausage to the mushroom. Okay, but the broccoli, we are not chopping it too small. Is there a reason why?
Okay, because we don't want to be like very meshy. Yeah. Okay, and we'll put it last later, okay?
Oh, okay, so remember the broccoli or any greens, right? We'll try to put it at the last. If not, your green become yellow.
Yes, and not green anymore.
Yes, okay?
Okay, so we will put the butter in so that it will melt. Okay, so we will just put half of the butter.
Okay, so now we're gonna melt the butter. The butter has been melted already. And what are we gonna put next?
We're gonna put the garlic, chopped minced garlic. Okay.
Oh, I can smell it.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay. Wash rice. A teaspoon of salt. Pepper. We're gonna flatten our rice now so that it has a nice shape. Okay, and we're gonna make a hole in the middle so that the tomato can go in. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're going to decorate our rice. Yeah. We're going to add one packet of chicken broth. Okay, bear in mind that the tomato also produce some juice, so we're not going to put too much water. So we're going to add a little bit of plain water. Okay, just a bit. Make sure that you can see the water here. Yeah, then cook it. Okay, so now we're gonna put our broccoli because it is cooked. Okay, so we're gonna put at a side here. And to add the fragrance, we will add another piece of butter. We're gonna close it for another 2 or 3 minutes. Yay! Look at that. So healthy, yummy, and easy. Okay, so we're gonna stir. Can you look at this tomato here? So it's still like intact, like one whole. So we're gonna stir it. So the tomato will mix your rice more flavorful. Okay, you see? Okay, the juice in the tomato. Yeah, can you see this? So we have, yeah, this is it. Our tomato rice.
So after mixing, you can see that the rice has been mixed up, and you know what? I really think that this is a very good dish for children who don't like to eat tomato, right? And this is just blended in, so that your child won't know that there's vegetables inside. All your child will see is the bright colored corn as well as the broccoli and the sausage. Probably a little bit of mushroom. Okay, so but the nutrients of the tomato is all being absorbed into the rice, and I think that this is a very nutritious meal as well as yummy meal.
Yes.
So are we ready to taste it?
Yes.
Let's try it.
Yes, cheers.
Cheers. Bing, bing. Okay.
How you feel the rice?
I like the garlic it smells really great. Okay, and of course butter, it really boosts up the whole flavor.
But I like the corn.
Corn, yes, I did the corn.
The corn person, you will like this. And you have the broccoli not overcooked.
很好吃，
真的很好吃。
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is a one pot dish. You have your protein, you have your nutrients, all the veggie and the meat all inside.
So it's also meant for you if you are fridge, you have a lot of this and that and you don't know how to finish it. Okay, you just throw everything inside.
Today we have introduced to you this tomato rice with some of the key ingredients that you may find in the fridge. But whatever you can find in your fridge, this is the time you just take it out. Be creative as you can, because cooking is about creativity. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. We really hope that this tomato rice will be a staple food for your kitchen and your family. We really hope that you try it and your family will definitely like it, okay? Alright, so if you like this video, do feel free to give a thumbs up, and we are excited to bring you more cooking. Okay, so if you're interested, do check out Sally's YouTube channel as well. Be sure to subscribe to her